I know that one.
Oh my gosh.
Sometimes the way you sigh, like, it sounds like. Have you ever heard the turtle? Like, Gazia so cute. She keeps covering her mouth so she doesn't laugh too hard.
I sound like a mating turtle.
Yeah, you do. You do.
Thank you for the supacho. Thank you. No, it's cute though, right?
It's really cute.
No, I don't sound like that.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
When you were sighing, it sounded like it. Why are you so good at you, turtle?
Why are you so good at your
Are you implying that I'm mating right now? Excuse me. What the hell? No. I just like monomane.
Stop monomaneing mating turtles in my birthday stream.
But it's making you laugh. That's my
It
gift.
is funny. Oh no, the turtles, it's out. Sometimes you do, so I do make turtle sounds.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Just sometimes. When you're like
I see.
sighing after laughing, you're just like,
No. I will stop sighing every time I laugh. I do not sigh. I do not sigh anymore. It doesn't exist in my vocabulary. Nah.